Most people get business credit cards wrong by assuming they are only for big companies, but the Costco Anywhere Visa Business by CD can be a game changer for small businesses and frequent shoppers alike. Today, they'll give you a full review so you know exactly what to expect before you apply. Let's start with rewards. This card offers 4% cash back on eligible gas purchases, 3% on restaurants and travel, 2% on Costco purchases, and 1% on everything else. The surprising truth, many small business owners overlook the 3% and 4% categories. But if you travel frequently or fuel a fleet of vehicles, this card can pay for itself quickly. Next, there's no annual fee specifically for the card itself, but keep in mind you still need a Costco membership to qualify. Most people get this wrong by forgetting the membership requirement, which is key to maximizing value. The card also offers flexible payment options. You can choose to pay in full each month to avoid interest, or carry a balance if necessary, although interest rates are on the higher side compared to personal cards. Another big advantage is purchase protection and extended warranty benefits. For business purchases like electronics or office equipment, you get added security that many people don't realize comes standard with this card. In conclusion, the Costco Anywhere Visa Business by CD is ideal if you run a small business, frequently shop at Costco, or spend heavily on gas, travel, and dining. Most people underestimate how much rewards can add up if used strategically. Subscribe for more honest business credit card reviews so you can make the smartest choice for your company.